Hello guys, today I'm just going to do a quick video about indicators, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about just two indicators. That's the CII and the RSI. So when indicators are used to determine the movement of the market in each trade. So to set up an indicator in your account, first of all you click below your dashboard, you click the compass. You see there, you see indicator, and you click. Out here varieties of indicators in this platform, a lot of smart intelligence indicators that you can use to determine the movement of the market. This is the CII I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be explaining to you. When you click here, you can see, you can read about it, and the R, okay, let me think it's down below. Okay, and the RSI. The RSI is used to measure the strength and the weakness of the market. So I'm going to set up these two today. So first of all, once you click pop up, automatically the these indicators has their inbuilt numbers, but I'm going to set it based on my own to operate in the way I want. Okay, the code I use that gives me an accurate signals. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and put 3 here. That's the period, and the color remains yellow. Now the line you're seeing right here, the 3 line you're seeing here is the line, the thickness of the line, and overboard 70. I'm going to change it to 77. Okay, there it is. And the same thing applicable here. I want my lines to be bold. Now here we have 30 already imputed, but I'm going to reduce it to 15. All right, so I go ahead and hit apply. So once I hit on apply, you can see the indicator reflects in my screen immediately. So I'm going to remove one because the two of them are the same. So I'm going to remove one. Okay, all right, there it is. This is the RSI, the one, the yellow one below, and the CCI. The CCI is the one on top. Now, according to these signals right now, you to give you if this market is moving right now, it will give you signal on where the current the movement of the market is going even before the market moves. So it's easy for you to navigate and make uh, any trade. So this is how to set it up. Then when it comes to the CCI, you go the same process. You click indicator and you go to CCI, and the screen pops up, and you click here, change this to 3, remove from 100 to 77, and the color I prefer it remains the same for some reasons. um you can change the color if you want. If you want to change the color, you hit on the color and you see varieties of colors to choose from, and you apply it. The color has not you have to make the colors look differently so you'll be able to navigate through them. All right, so looks like I'm almost done. Okay, so as you can see, I've completed all the setup. Then I click apply, and that just apply. And the one I just said right now is the very last one right here down beneath. So this is how indicator work. If you go like currently now, I think the market is down. Let me go to digital market. Let me just show you how it claims of how this works. Okay, you see, this signal is already saying that the market is going down. Okay, that's the RSI, and the all of them. The signal is saying the market is going down. Now, there's also a new signal I use. It's called the fractile. If you see the yellow dot, dotted spot that just popped up immediately after the signal changed its location. It means that the signal is going to be going down, maybe in some period of time. So with this signal, you can use to determine when to execute any trade. Now you can see actually the market is going. That's why you're seeing red in the edge. So with this kind of indicators, you don't have to. Let me go ahead and remove one. The CII. Let me remove this one. Okay, so I have the RSI and the CII right here. So with this, with the help of this indicator, I can actually know the movement of the market even before the market moves. So it's really important if you want to use indicator. It is really recommended. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.